Assalamu alaikum, my name is Shahbaz. Our today's session is based on health and safety question and answers that are frequently asked during health and safety interview. And today we have with us Mr. Imran Shahbaz. So let's start this session. Assalamu alaikum. We start with the question number 1. What is full form of following abbreviation? I'm going to ask you. QHSE.
There are different abbreviations and terms that has been used previously. In HSE, it could be QHSE, Quality, Health, Safety and Environment. It could be HSEQ, Health, Safety, Environment and Quality. It could be SHEQ, Safety, Health and Quality. It could be OSHEQ, Occupational Safety, Health, Environment and Quality. So it's all about health and safety, HSE, and different terms being used by different organizations. That's what the answer should be if interviewer is asking you such question.
Okay, now we'll move on to the second question. Why do you think you are most suitable candidate for this position, this specific position we have advertised?
It is being asked frequently by employers, especially directors and managers. If I am the candidate and I've been asked by interviewer why I am suitable, I should highlight my expertise, strength, areas of positive performances, and I should say I do possess different health and safety qualifications along with NEBOSH, along with NVQ level 5, along with Bachelor of Sciences Honours, Health and Safety, and hands-on practical experience in different industries like construction industry, like oil and gas industry, like manufacturing industry, and that is why I strongly believe I'm a suitable candidate for this position. And even if you are a fresh candidate or aspiring candidate, you should answer I do have or possess background academic qualifications in HSE, and I'm pretty committed to ensure to learn on health and safety, and I will make sure I work for organizational aims and objectives.
Please tell us what were your responsibility in previous role where you have worked?
This is also a frequent question and asked by employers, and if I would have been a candidate for such question, I would say there are different roles and responsibilities allocated to me in previous roles that may include, or it may differ from company to company, and it includes the development, maintenance and implementation of health and safety management system. It may include, or it would be the answer that I have to develop trainings and delivery of those health and safety training. It may include promotion of health and safety culture. It may include carrying risk assessment on the workplace. It may include delivering safety meetings and toolbox talk on the workplace. It may include liaising with different authorities on the workplace. So it may vary from organization to organization, but this should be the typical one.
Okay, please tell us what were your key achievements in previous or current HSE role?
Important question, I would say, and you should highlight what you have done actually, what you have achieved previously, and it could be like I have achieved previously 5 million safe manners in my previous role, and that is an achievement. I would say I have achieved a project for a couple of years, 2 years duration project without any lost time incident. That could be an achievement. I would say due to our performance and hard work on health and safety and environmental aspects, we have achieved different appreciation awards from different clients and contractors and health and safety bodies, and this is the answer should be, and that's what achievement could be.
What is health and safety policy and its main part, and why we should have a health and safety policy?
Many interviewers actually ask this question, why we need a health and safety policy. It is a legal requirement. Any employer having 5 or more than 5 employees should have a written health and safety policy or health and safety policy statement. And when we go for health and safety policy main part, health and safety policy is actually statement of commitment of any organization towards health and safety and their aims and objectives. What could be the roles and responsibilities, who will fulfill and ensure it's being delivered, and how they are going to achieve their aims and objectives. So main part should be in the policy like statement of commitment from management, roles and responsibilities, and it should be like the last section, arrangement section, which will actually explain or describe how they are going to achieve their aims and objective, and this is how you should actually answer this question.
Okay, now please tell us what is management system and identify different types of management system.
Management system, I would say, actually a systematic approach to manage organizational processes, procedures, instructions, and the framework, and to make sure continual improvement has been achieved. And this is what management system should be. And different type of the management system includes QMS, quality management system, EMS, environmental management system, it's energy management system, it's OHS, OSAS 18001 2007. It's food safety management system 22000, and this is what the typical answer should be.
Very well. Now the next question is, what do you know about audits and its types?
Yes, it's a good question. Audit is actually a critical, systematic, objective examination of organizational management system, and when it comes to health and safety, it could be health and safety management system. So types of audit could be internal audit, which is normally being performed by internal team, nominated managers or auditors, and to evaluate current status and effectiveness of management system, whereas external audit is the second type, which is usually conducted by third party certifying or undertaken by third party certifying body to evaluate and examine effectiveness of current management system and to issue certification to organization. And when it comes to evidences that has been used or auditor is looking forward is documentation, its interviews, and its observation. These three things being actually noted by auditor in the audit as well.
Okay, now can you please provide us a brief overview of your health and safety experience?
This question, if this question has been asked by interviewer, you should make sure you actually highlight past roles and responsibilities and how you have been promoted actually for different health and safety roles. I would say I've started actually as an HSE assistant, and then later on I've been promoted as an junior HSE officer, and then after completing my different health and safety qualifications, I was promoted as an HSE officer, and with a few years of experience I've been promoted by organization as lead HSE officer, etc., etc. This is how you can actually describe your expertise to interviewer.
What are the types of emergency may happen at workplace?
Yes, there are different type of emergencies that may happen at your workplace, and it may vary from workplace to workplace according to the business nature, risk, and activity. Different type of emergencies could be like fire and explosion or fire emergency. It could be medical emergency. It could be I would say natural emergency like flood or earthquake, or it could be poor weather conditions, and simply security emergency. And this is what the emergencies should be.
Okay, now we'll move on. Final question. What are the key elements of health and safety management system?
Health and safety management system has generally different key elements, which includes policy, which is a statement of management intent or commitment, organizing section, that is roles and responsibilities from top to bottom. Third one is actually planning and implementation, where you plan your activities, which include risk assessment, hazard identification, and then implementing all the procedures you will decide in planning phase. The fourth one is actually measuring performance, where you will evaluate your performance according to if you are actually complying with your policy and the procedural requirement actually decided in planning section. And then the last thing is actually reviewing your performance. So you will review your performance on the basis of evaluation, and then you will take action accordingly. This is the key element should be for health and safety management system, and I hope this will help you guys to answer question in front of interviewer and pass your interview for any health and safety position. Further details can be obtained from our YouTube channel, from my Facebook page, and from our website www.parksafetysolutions.com.
Thank you very much.